So I love this YouTuber right here, guys, and I was just watching a few vlogs, and her name is Sunday Love. She's actually located in Japan. I believe she's American, I'm not sure, but she does a lot of content from Japan, and recently she's been showing her house hunting in Japan. So it's good to see like different sets of Black people around the world, living in different locations around the world, showing different cultures and stuff like that. So yeah, and this is another YouTuber that I love. He's actually not a YouTuber, but you know, he's like a TV show. He showcase food around the world and stuff like that. I absolutely love his documentaries, and I actually saw one documentary in the Bahamas where I saw my brother in it. So yeah, I really love these type of videos. I like to sit and just watch videos about cultures, and he does these documentary really well. He actually did one on it's actually on commercial right now, but he did one on Egypt, and to see the hardship that he had to go through just to get that video done was just extraordinary. Okay, but yeah, I really love watching his stuff. So just wanted to show you guys that check it out, check them out. They're really cool.
the enemy cannot change what you think about God. His next step is to try to change what you think about you. How far you go and how much you grow is not just determined by what you believe about God. It is equally impacted by what you believe about you. A sage named Solomon framed it this way in a book of the Bible called Proverbs. Solomon says this: as a man or woman thinks in their heart, so is he.
All right, guys. So I don't think I've actually made an introduction to the video because I've just been putting clips. So yeah, so welcome to the channel. I'm not sure if this is going to be the last clip or not, but welcome to the channel. My lips is very dry. I just took a shower like maybe a good 30 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago. I took a shower, and so therefore I wanted to show like my skincare routine or what I've been putting on my skin. And I'm actually kind of liking it because my skin has been going through some stuff, you know what I mean? It could be my hormone levels, what I'm eating, whatever. But however, I've been changing that around. I've been eating good, you know, I've been eating good. It's a process and it takes time. Therefore, I do see a change in my face right now. Right now, I kind of look like grayish or whatever because I took a shower and I didn't immediately went into my skincare routine. But I'm going to show you guys that, what I do. But I have to say, I do love what I'm seeing. It looks like a normal skin, you know what I mean? And there's not a lot of oils, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, so I've been using this right here. I know I showed it to you guys before. I actually got these from the dollar store, and I normally do not like to get a lot of beauty products or any skin products from the dollar store, but however, I actually like this. It's a spa prescription bedazzled pore refining glitter peel off. You know, it's a little cute little mask. And I think my mindset right now is not to just find a particular thing that goes with my skin, but really to just do the normal skincare routine. I think not doing it at all is a problem, and that's why I feel like that. So just getting anything from moisturizer to cleanser and just working with that until I can find something that works with my skin is good for me. So that's what I've been doing. Here, it's almost done. It's almost done, guys. Okay. So it is the Superfruit Blueberry Exfoliating Cleanser. So I stopped using like bubble baths and any type of soap or whatever that I use on my body. I do not use that on my face. I just stick to the cleanser and the mask, and that's it. You know what I mean? So, and I drink lots of water now. So it's $2.99. All right. Okay, so it is the micellar cleansing water. So this removes makeup, it cleanses, it purifies pores, hydrate and soothe face, lips, and eyes. Okay, so this has no soap, no fragrance, no silicones or dye, and it's oil free. Okay, which is very important. So I pretty much just use that on my skin or on my face. Nice and smooth, guys. Okay, and yeah, put it damp a little bit more. All right, so this is the way it looks right now. I do have a little bump up here. Okay, I do have that, but that's okay. Yeah, so that is, then you can just use any moisturizer that you like. The one that I really like is the one that I had previously before, which is by Elf. I actually like their primer, and I love the lotion that they had. I still have their gel there, so I'm going to go back and look for that in particular because I just love the way it makes my skin feel like my face. So Yeah, but I'm using this Neutrogena that I brought from Amazon from last year, and it's the Bright Boost Gel Cream. So I'm going to use that on my face just to have something to keep my face moisturized. I was planning on doing my makeup today, but I'm like, nah, that's just way too much going on. I'm not going anywhere. Um, I just want to stay home. I just want to stay home. I find like home is my best friend, regardless of what's going on, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm not a out person. Like I'm not like the club type person. Like I have to be out every weekend and go party. No, that's just not me. It's not my personality. But I do have times where I like to go to the restaurants and chill out with friends. But now, like, I just want to stray away from that a bit, and just kind of be focused and grounded, and I feel that's where my mindset is right now. Like, just be to myself. And I don't know if that's where God wants me to be, just be to myself and enjoy my timing and do a lot of like self-reflecting, because in this town called Toronto, it's good to be on your own. You know what I mean? It's good to like, it's not good in a way where you're like self-isolating or whatever, but like the relationship here is not that genuine, guys. Okay, it's not that genuine, and you're gonna have a lot of times where you're on outing with people, and that's all it is. It's just an outing, and my spirit gets tired. I'm a very like I'm someone, I desire love, you know what I mean? So when I hang out with people, I need to feel it. I need to sense it. That's the Leo in me. Like I really need to feel that vibe. I don't want to just sit around and just drink and, when I say drink, like coffee or whatever, I need to feel that I'm around people, like whenever I'm going through something, that they're there also, you know what I mean? And vice versa. You know what I mean? So I think that sometimes God wants you to be in a place where it's just you and him, you know what I mean? And he has stuff to teach you, like within yourself, and it comes at a time where you feel things are kind of out of order, but really he's just kind of trying to turn that around for you. And I feel that's where I'm at right now. And a lot of things that's happening behind the scene, like I feel like my reaction has definitely grown. I'm not in a panic situation. I'm just taking it day by day, step by step, and just going along with the flow. And there are times the enemy will try to downsize you and try to make you feel like, oh, you're off, whatever. But I'm trusting in God, you know what I mean? I'm trusting in God, and I need my time. I need my time to refresh and to revive myself. And yeah, so I already added some of this already, but I'm gonna add a little bit more just to keep my lip moisturized. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. I add this earring so you can add a little flair to it, you know what I mean? Add a little flair to it. Yes. But anyways, this is my skincare routine, guys, for today. I'm not gonna be putting on no makeup. I'm done. I'm out here watching this documentary on my laptop. So I really like these type of thing, you know what I mean? I really love watching like stuff from around the world. But So we have the mashed potato right here. Okay. The boiled eggs up in there. Now, I don't want my Caribbean folks to come for me, okay? Because I cook how I want to cook. Now, a lot of Haitians, they do the eggs with hot dogs and they eat it with boiled banana and stuff like that. But I just choose to do it with sardine, okay? All right. And this is my steamed vegetables right here. All of this is to prep me for tomorrow, because tomorrow is March break and it's going to be a very, very long week. So I do have a new diet. I don't want to call it diet, but I do have a new way of eating. So I try to prep myself for the week. So yeah, so that's where I don't have to worry about, okay, what's next. You know, I have my vegetable steam, you know, I already have my what do you call it, my fruits ready and stuff like that. So yeah, so let me know if you would like to see what I eat in a day, what is my diet plan and stuff like that, so I can always do a video on that. But I think I'm gonna end this video here. I'm not sure, maybe I'll add another clip, or you know, but anyways, this is it for today.